Cellular immune response. Cellular immune response is also known as cell-mediated immune response. There is an antigen presentation, which is a must for T cells to be produced. 4 types of T cells are killer, helper, suppressor, and memory. Antigen presentation has to occur first. It can be bacterial, viral, or cancer. In this case, a virus has infected a cell. The T cells activated and releases cytokines, which activates the T cell to replicate. Those cloned T cells aid in the cell destruction, and then a phagocyte disposes of the cell. Helper T cells are the T cells that act as the directors or managers of the immune system. Once activated, they circulate through the body, recruiting other cells to fight the invaders. For example, helper T cells interact directly with B cells that have already attached to antigens, prodding the B cells into more rapid division or clone production, and then, like the boss of an assembly line, signaling for antibody formation to begin. Cytotoxic T cells, or killer T cells, are cells that specialize in killing virus-infected, cancer, or foreign graft cells. One way a cytotoxic T cell accomplishes this is by binding tightly to a foreign cell and releasing toxic chemicals called perforins and granzymes from its granules. The perforins enter the foreign cell's plasma membrane, delivering the so-called lethal hit. Shortly thereafter, pores appear in the target cell membrane, allowing the granzymes, or protein-digesting enzymes, to enter and kill the foreign cell. The cytotoxic T cell then detaches and seeks other foreign prey to attack. Regulatory T cells, formerly called suppressor T cells, release chemicals that suppress the activity of both T and B cells. Regulatory T cells are vital for winding down and finally stopping the immune response after an antigen has been successfully inactivated or destroyed. This helps prevent uncontrolled or unnecessary immune system activity. Memory cells are those cells that are clones that remain behind to provide the immunological memory for each antigen encountered and enable the body to respond quickly to subsequent invasions.